Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a layered task priority board using custom shapes in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and create a wide canvas for a clear task layout. First I select the custom shape tool and draw tall rounded rectangles as task blocks. Then I duplicate them, slightly move copies downward, and darken them to create a layered effect. After that I add small circular custom shapes to indicate priority levels or completion status. Now I carefully align each task block vertically for readability. Next I zoom in and refine corner radius and spacing for a polished look. Then I apply subtle shadows to separate layers softly. After this I adjust colors to visually represent high, medium,